Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This will get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, when news all eyes are on the US non-farm payrolls report due out tomorrow, and market activity is hesitant in advance of that. US jobless claims came in at 210,000 last week, a good decrease from the prior week, but it was not as large a drop as the seasonality suggests it should have been, so it counts as a rise in the headline basis. And there are still very few announced job cuts in this huge American labour market. So that will probably mean the US November non-farm payrolls report will be a positive one when it's released tomorrow morning. Markets currently expect 200,000 more jobs filled. In Europe, although it slipped in October from September, the volume of EU retail trade was up 2.1% from the same month a year ago. This is perhaps a surprising show of resilience for an economy that is widely panned as struggling. And last week, global container freight rates rose 6% from the prior week to be 150% higher than the pre-pandemic levels still. There were sharp rises from the China to Europe trade, more than enough to upset the sharp fall in the China to US West Coast trade. Going the other way was a very sharp drop in bulk cargo rates, down 22% from the prior week to their lowest level since September 2023, and actually back to levels first reached in 1987. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.18% and down 2 basis points from yesterday. Then the price of gold will start today at $2,637 an ounce, down $15 from yesterday. And oil prices are $1 lower at $69.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $72.50 a barrel. These low prices forced OPEC to delay its planned output hike in January. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 58.7 US cents and unchanged from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're up 10 basis points at 91.2 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 10 basis points at 55.6 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index starts today at just on 68.3 and again unchanged from yesterday. And the Bitcoin price starts today at $100,825 and up 6% from this time yesterday. Volatility over the past 24 hours has been very high at plus or minus 4.7%. At one point it reached $103,000, at another back under $100,000. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again on Monday.